What's going on, guys? This is Mo with Automatic USA. Hope everyone having a great day today. You guys, right next to me is a car. It's a must talked about on YouTube to show you guys all the mods that you can do to your finally SS, SS1LE, and RS with Automatic USA. Let's dive into all the details. Talk about the famous stuff and the popular stuff that people usually get with us. We're going to talk about something very, very detail oriented. The number one inquiry that we've been asked about is the ZL1 Style one-piece side rocker panel for the SS. As you guys know, we did announce them 2 years ago for the ZL1 owners, but now available for your SS. As you can see, it hits the entire side rocker and it goes into your door jamb, and the weather stripping gets to be added on from removing it from the factory. Let me bring you guys the factory one to show you guys the difference between this one and the factory. All right, guys, there is the piece right next to me. As you guys see, we wanted to do just a regular extension side skirt, so I'm like, hey, you're down to add our new side rocker panels? So 100% full replacement, as you can see, and it goes all the way up to your door jambs, and then when you close it, it's a nice flush looking carbon fiber. So obviously one of my favorite go-to, and these are the OESS carbon fiber fenders. You do not have to get the ZL1 wide body fenders anymore. They will fit our SS carbon fiber fenders. And if you go to the front, our signature Black Panther carbon fiber one-piece bumper. It is double-sided carbon with the upper grille, the lower grille, the bezels, the canards, the chin splitter, all carbon fiber, guys. This is insane. As you guys see, he gave us a custom badge that we custom drilled for him right on our plaque right here. What it is about the Black Panther is the last edition of the ZL1 about last year when they announced it. It's the full track package 1LE spec with the ZL1 bezel that's gonna allow your DRL to show fully exposed. Let me turn on the DRLs so you guys can see those. There you go. As you guys see, you got the headlight signature DRLs with the ZL1, giving it the Black Panther look that GM announced about 1.5 years ago with the ZL1 Black Panther Final Edition. Probably one of our hottest sellers that we sell on a day-to-day basis, guys, are side markers that we offer in amber, red, 2-line LED, white LED, RGB, and dynamic sequence startup in white LED. There has been a huge demand on those. The customer wanted to keep it simple, orange in the front, red in the back, black housing, simplicity to contrast with his beautiful color that he's got going on. Going to the back, guys, as you guys see, the full OE ducklet trunk in carbon fiber, the track package ZL1 1LE one-piece spoiler. This is a must. A lot of our clients order these two, and then we build them to custom drill the holes. So when we ship it out to them, everything's already pre-drilled and ready to install when they go ahead and insert it on their vehicle. As you can see down here, the Ombre signature taillights with Automatic USA. If I turn off the nighttime running, you're gonna get a nice, clear, aggressive lens that's gonna contrast extremely well with the carbon fiber and the factory paint. And then to finish it off, the quad tip carbon fiber diffuser. You guys, this thing does not do justice on camera. In person, it looks super shiny, super aggressive, and I think it's due for a good stage 1 polish to give it that nice shine on the carbon and the paint and let the customer enjoy the car. Check this out, guys. We also haven't been talking about this. It's kind of like an underrated product. It's our LED plug and play reflectors for your Gen 6 Camaro from 16 to 25, whether it's ZL1 SS, RS. It plugs in with the factory harness. It's plug and play application. There's no splicing or none of that stuff. We did manufacture the plugs, so you're able to do a female-male plug and play to allow smooth transition without doing any wiring. Like I said, it's a must-have product. It definitely lights up at night, and it allows the car to be more popped during nighttime on the freeway, or you meet up at a car meet and all that good stuff. Remember, guys, it's the details that matter. If you guys liked what we did to this SS1LE and you're out of state or local to us, we offer full customization labor services for you guys. Whether you guys get the Automatic products or any other brands that we can install for your Camaro, Mustang, Corvette, you name it. Super excited for the customer. Can't wait to see his reaction in person, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.